finished complete look of this unit. So this hair review, just to start off, was super easy. That's why this video isn't as long. This unit was pre-braided for me and sent to me by Rayzeesignaturehairs. So basically with this unit, guys, all I really had to do was customize the baby hairs around the perimeter. She did send like the perfect amount at the top right here, but I did have to take 2 braids out, one on this side and one on this side, to give myself like a little bit of baby hair on the sideburn. One thing I want to let you guys know straight off the bat, this unit is super heavy, so I did have to use 2 drops of Ghost Bond on each side right here just to put this wig in place and hold it down. Obviously this is an up style, guys, with a lot of braiding, a lot of intricate dramatic looks to it, and just having the hair up style like this one, it does make the head or the wig per se very heavy. So that's something you definitely have to keep in mind. If you're someone that's looking for a braided wig, you want to make sure it's not heavy. This one is a little bit heavy, but I do have a small size head, so that might be the reason why. I do think she did a good job, guys. This unit is 30 inches long, so she did kind of like the feeder, I think it's called braid feeding. I don't know what it's called, but basically what she did was kind of braid it very close to the edge and give you more of like that drama style up here, as you guys can see. I did go ahead and add my powder to the areas that were showing just to kind of give you guys some more action, like around here, around the perimeter where the baby hairs are, and a little bit into the braids right here, just because you want it to look like your scalp. So I just try to add like a little powder in this part. I do feel like I took a little bit too much baby hairs off the perimeter right here. I did have to go in and just darken it up with a little bit of black liquid eyeliner, just because it was looking like a little bit grayish, especially when the makeup touched it. But I do think overall this is a fun wig, a nice wig. Would I per se wear this all the time? Probably not, just because it's a little bit too heavy at the top. But I do think that the color, the ombre blonde color, and the length is gorgeous to die for. If you're someone that likes super duper long braided units, this is definitely a long, intricate braided unit, which is very nice. I did go ahead and add like maybe 1 or 2 things to it. Because the braids are a small braid size, I did have to attach 2 braids together to get it to hold onto the pieces, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But other than that, guys, I think this is super cute. She's obviously going to have to be worn in this type of style. You can flip her over, like, let's see, I'm looking at my side mirror, or you can flip her over like this or whatever, but she basically has to be worn, whoo, that makes you heavy. She basically has to be worn like this way, or you could even do it in like a rolled up bun on the top, which will actually be pretty cute too, or like this way, which I've been wearing now. So I think I'm going to keep her like this. I think she looks really, really pretty like this, and I do think that the whole entire makeup look and everything goes well too, so that's probably why I'm really feeling it now. So guys, I will leave all her information down below in regards to this unit and her website if you're interested in purchasing anything from Rayzeesignaturehairs. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!